Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the exact listing. Open Google Maps and search the business name and address now. If you control the profile, claim it through Google Business Profile because ownership makes removal simpler. Once claimed, you suggest an edit to mark it permanently closed or request removal and explain why, duplicate, moved, or private residence. Do this immediately so Google logs the change. It speeds verification. Make sure to note any supporting documents you'll need for the next steps. Once you have access, go to Google Business Profile and choose Info, then close or remove this listing. Follow prompts to mark permanently closed or delete. If you don't own the listing, request ownership or use Maps report a problem and select the removal reason. Provide clear proof, photo of premises, utility bill, business license, because Google validates changes and may delay updates. Make sure to fill every required field and upload files, so the review team can act without asking for extra information. You finish by monitoring maps and caches. Changes often appear in 3 days but can take up to several weeks. Once done, remove references from your website and third-party directories to prevent reindexing. If the listing reappears or is claimed by someone else, gather screenshots, ownership documents, and timestamps. Then contact Google Business Support directly and submit a disputes request. One key troubleshooting tip: if Google keeps restoring the listing, file a formal ownership dispute and include proof of transfer or permanent closure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.